Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar yen did go up today. It did end up breaking some of these most significant structural levels. There's a chance that this wave C is potentially over on the higher time frames and that we are potentially going up in a much, much bigger way if we go up to the probably daily time frame. We can see that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B. Maybe we are heading up for a wave C, which a wave C potentially could take out the high wave 4. So a lot of upside potential for sure. But keep in mind that tomorrow is a U.S. bank holiday. It's Independence Day in America, and there definitely will be a very slow, very lack of volume market tomorrow on Friday. Forex is open normal hours, but there definitely should be a lack of volume and probably a lack of movement. So definitely be careful of that. I definitely would highly suggest not really trading tomorrow, definitely not during the New York session at least. So, anyways, check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.